Definitely leaking a lot of oil, Joe. And get some better light.
Oh.
Wow. Submission. Alright, I say we take this off.
Yeah, so leaky.
Same spot, right? So,
Gonna be doing a an update video on the is300 that we acquired.
Yeah, let me film you.
She had some I feel like it was kind of weird. She had some engine issues. Turns out the valve seals are leaking. Timing belt. If you want to look at the timing belt's not really looking too good. She's got some cracks in there, and you know, water pump's leaking as well. Pretty much everything went to shit. So
Alright,
we're
I'm here.
gonna,
We can stop the left.
Jen, can you not fuck up our video? Ran into some engine issues. Looks like the valve seals are leaking a little bit, and water pump's leaking, and the timing belt isn't looking too good. So we're gonna try to address that. Show you guys what we're up to. Yeah, so we got her all apart. You know, she's pretty
Yeah, get that.
kind of just busted through all this fucking shit. Oh wow, look at that. Took the radiator out, took the condenser out. His condenser actually, funny enough, it's a little leaky. Doesn't work. So, you know, we just ripped that out. He's got a new radiator too, so kind of degreasing it. There's a catastrophic oil leak that we're trying to address right now.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna line the timing up. Take this bad Larry up. Oh, is it lined up? It's lined up? Okay, it's lined up.
You want to go with that lining up, Jeremy, or do you want to, like, do it again?
So what we had to do is you had to pop a spark plug out.
Do it again,
put a
Chris,
socket in there
turning it for like 20 minutes
to see where the piston
Yeah, but you want to be sure.
is,
You don't want to be fucking.
as well as lining up the notches on the cam gears.
It
and,
looks like it's
crank
right,
seal.
doesn't it?
I think it's right.
You got it, Joe. Cover.
Took the tensioner off, water pump pulley off, bracket for the power steering.
Clean.
Thing looks pretty clean.
Got anything to say about this, Joe?
Wait, do we have a
I'm having a great time. A couple days later, I forgot my camera, so didn't really get the whole thing on film. But you know, we got her all back together now, and she's
Except for this washer.
she starts up.
I forgot to put this washer in.
She starts up. Yeah, I forgot that washer over there, but you know, it's
Not a big deal.
it's a little bit lighter now. It's faster. But yeah, looks like we're all set. Looks like we got her back together. She turns on. She's turning like a kid, and we have to do the valve seals. Replace the radiator. Still have to replace the condenser. Replace spark plugs. Fucking coil packs. What else to replace? Thermostat. Obviously, timing belt. Cam seals. Belt tensioner. water pump. We did a lot of shit.
Those like Terminator wheels?
We got it all together, and she runs now. So
Hit that whole thing. Go. 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 Oh, stop, stop. Stop. Good, park it. Right there for now. I don't think it would fit. I don't think so.
holy shit!
So no misfire, right?
Mint, nothing. Holy shit! It's fucking running. So we just finished putting it all back together. Took it for a roll around the block. Thing fucking drives real nice. Drives mint. You know, it's that Lexus smoothness that makes us all love these cars. We're just making sure it doesn't have any leaks, but it doesn't look like we messed the timing up or anything, which we were very careful about not. And yeah, I mean, the things we did this, so just to cover what we did the radiator, the condenser, which is in front of it. We did the water pump, the timing belt, the tensioners, serpentine belt, the valve seals, painted the valve covers. I did that, you know, I just really wanted to paint them, just a nice touch on them. Just, you know, some odds and ends, some vacuum hoses, some little clamp here, and, you know, breather there. Am I forgetting anything? I feel like I'm forgetting. Oh, we obviously put a fender on too. Got a fender on the car. Bondoed this. Still have to paint that. Got center caps on the way for that. You got a new gas cap. We fastened this door on. Fixed all the lights in the car. All the lights that were out, we fixed them. You know, did an overall cleaning of it. Fixed the radio. Radio is fucked up. We fixed that. Fixed the hood latch. We fixed a lot of small stuff that I forget about. But I mean, obviously the big thing is the engine. We actually, we did the spark plugs and the coil packs too. I forgot about that. There's oil when you took the spark plug out. There's oil on it, so the valve seals are bad. The water pump started dripping. Yeah, we got it all back together though. So this car's a work in progress. Definitely a project car, and I think this is a pretty good step. You know, we took the whole engine apart. You know, maybe the next video we'll start to see some modifications. Jeremy, maybe, I don't know. Maybe some coilovers, maybe some wheels. He's got some stuff. I'm not gonna tell you guys what he's got, but he's got some I'm just not gonna tell you. But he's got some aftermarket exterior modifications that he just got. I think he's gonna look fucking mint. Yeah, shut up. What am I doing? Hold the bolt?
No, I hold the bolt. You twist this.
Alright. It's going the wrong way right now. Still holding it? What? Alright. So yeah, as you can see, not everything's real easy working on this car. A lot of tight areas you gotta maneuver yourself into, but you know, pretty much just took it one step at a time, and here we are. So definitely stay tuned for the update video. And make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna be doing a lot of stuff with this car, a lot of stuff with my is300, and I'm gonna start doing some videos on that Mustang over there. We've got new wheels on it, and obviously this one. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, comment with any suggestions or questions, and yeah, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.